Unwinding Pendulum. Unwinding Pendulum. Defense against a right front kick, right punch combination. As your opponent steps in with his right front kick, step back to a twist with a downward block, pivot with an inward block. Gauge step, front thrusting sweep to the back leg, groin strike, scoop, buckle, elbow, front to back switch, buckle, elbow, front crossover with the middle knuckle inverted underneath the ear, cover out. As your opponent attempts to deliver a right front kick to your midsection, step back with your right foot into a twist stance and execute a right downward block. Unwind into a left neutral bow as you execute a left inward block to the outside of his right arm. Gauge step with your left foot, execute a right front thrusting sweep kick to his back leg, and as you land into a twist stance, a left upward crane strike to the groin. Pivot in place and execute a right uplifting scooping heel kick to your opponent's groin from behind, and that leads into a reverse bow leg buckle with an outward elbow and a heel palm strike. Execute a front to back switch with a left leg buckle in reverse bow with a left outward elbow, heel palm strike. Execute a left front crossover with a left inverted vertical middle knuckle punch up underneath the ear. Cover out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it entertaining, educational, and perhaps useful. We have more videos, more content every week. Please give a like, a subscribe, and ring that bell.